Hi, we're back. This is Rocky Point. This Mrs. P is upstairs. This is Mr. P getting his F350 ready. But he has a problem because the radio is gone.
It must have been got put in the plastic box.
So the radio seems to be upstairs, which is very odd.
Or it's in Arizona in the garage.
No, that cannot be. We are looking now in the car. Yeah. And I see the radio.
Oh!
There it is. Mr. P was just so excited.
So here we have to have racing seats.
This is...
Yeah! Antenna up. Unit on. Oh, the batteries are already dead. That's it. That's all it's got.
I have only one comment. American. They love their four-wheel drive. They cannot even drive. I think he found his license plate in a corn section. Oh, there he goes.
That's pushing reverse. How about that?
Right up the front.
Out of juice.